अगर तुम कुछ शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हारी मदद करती है. This dialogue was said in the movie Om Shanti Om. And believe me, this isn't just a dialogue. It's the fact. It's the reality. I made this dialogue as the quote of my life. Like literally, if you really want something, you desperately want that, the universe has to get you there. So yes, let it be someone who is really smart, someone who is really wealthy, or someone who is really respected, or a better version of yourself. You can be anyone. It's all about what I learned today with my teacher, and I would not name her, but she is really so manageable, so respected. See, she's so knowledgeable, and she's very inspirational. Now, what she said us was like a counseling guide for me. Thing is, she told us that marks are not the ultimate goal of our studies. But though we study for marks, like in India, but along with that, in the end, what is really going to matter is not our marks, but the skills we have built through the journey. So there are a list of skills she told us to have, and I'm going to tell you this because I really want that her knowledge should be spread everywhere, like everywhere. So the first thing she told us is communication skills. Yeah, I know you have heard this thousands of times, but believe me, if you can communicate your ideas, nothing can be a barrier to you. You can be in any field, like literally anything. The thing is, you should know how to communicate your ideas to others. Like, yeah, sometimes language could become a barrier, but if you know how to convince others, if you know how to manage people, if you know how to deal with others, you can be the master. Like if you are not the smartest person in the room, be the person whom everyone listens. Learn some skills side by side. Like as I told you earlier, studies or marks are not only going to benefit you, and we are like there's so many students who so many teenagers, and everyone are not alike. Some might be good at studies, some might be good at anything other skills. So it all depends on you. Five things that we should avoid, like we should minimize them and we should work on them. The first thing is put blinders. Like literally, put blinders. You have seen the horses, they put blinders so that they focus on the particular thing. We have to do the same thing. You have to put blinders, you have to focus. Because if you'll not focus, nothing is going to come out as a result or as the output. Give 100% of yours. For example, promise yourself that another event, any kind of another participation will come, you are going to take part. That's something else if the teacher chooses, but you should give your 100%. And you don't have to waste anything, nor your time, nor your talent, nor your skills. Start communicating. Like start communicating with different types of people. Like around you only, in your family members, there are different kind of people. Start dealing with them, learn from them, whether it's your sibling, whether it's your younger one, whether it's your elder one, whether it's your mother or father. Everyone has something special. Observe them, notice them, and start adapting it. Because the more you practice, the more your brain gets trained. Life is an ongoing process, and remember this. Every day you are learning something, and you have to assure that you are learning something every day. You can never say that I know everything at any stage of your life. Make sure you use your 24 hours like the CEO. You have to value your time and see, time will value you. Thank you for watching me, and you are going to get such kind of motivational, finance related, and experience based life lessons, teachings in this channel. Do like, subscribe, and share.